Welcome back to the applications of coordination compounds. There are 10 applications, important applications. Estimation of hardness of water by using EDTA. EDTA is nothing but ethylene diamine tetraacetate. So hardness of water is estimated by simple titration with the EDTA. Hardness of water is mainly due to the calcium 2 plus and the Mg2 plus. Because of excess of calcium 2 plus and Mg2 plus only, it is a hard water. Hot water is more salty water. In at home, we are using RO water, aqua water. In aqua waters, we are excess of calcium and magnesium will present means only the filter is reducing all this calcium and magnesium and giving the taste water. So that is called hardness of water. Form of stable complexes with the ADTA. So like that we can find out. Next, water treatment. Sodium metaphosphate, or we can see zeolite also can be used in a municipality water tank. So what sodium metaphosphate are used to remove calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus. So sodium actually, when you take chips and kurkure and etc., that fast food, and when you take the soft drinks, when you take all these contain sodium carbonate. So sodium, when you go inside nowadays, the small children and even young students are taking often chips like that means sodium will get entered into the body. Immediately you will be tensed for even a silly things also. That's what you're getting a very what sensitive you are so because of when sodium get inside the pressure will be increases. When the pressure goes I mean what happens, the sodium increases the pressure, automatically the calcium will be go out from the body. So what we are using that the strength of the bone as well as we are getting the tensed also will be increases because of the sodium is getting inside our body. So the main thing is sodium will be getting inside. So what we have to balance the diet of taking a potassium, that tender coconut beans, like that if you take a potassium will get inside. Potassium is what will do in our body means it will bring out the calcium inside the body. But sodium what will do means to remove the calcium from our body. So what both are doing in opposite, equal and opposite work they are doing. So what balanced diet is very very important. So that fast food and chips and what are this kurkure and all, if you take soft drinks sodium content, sodium bicarbonate is more is present. So when the sodium will get inside our body, it removes the calcium. So that you just think out that concept and use this here sodium metaphosphate. When you use it, removes the calcium and magnesium from the hot water. So what this is the treatment. Just I said for a concept only to understand why sodium is removing calcium. In day-to-day life, our body more and more sodium will get inside. It's more and more calcium will be eliminated from our body. So what we should balance the diet of taking that potassium to be content to be taken inside. Potassium will bring back the calcium 2 plus to our body. So modern dye, that is metal ion deposited on the threads with the dye molecule act as ligands, form complexes. So that is modern dye. Modern extra thing to be added to fix the dyeing on the cloth. So that is photography in black and white photography to remove the unreacted silver bromide. Silver bromide and sodium, silver thiosulfate to be used for a fixing the photo. That is called hypo. So hypo is nothing but a tris thiosulfato silver. This is called argentate in Latin. So argentate Roman letter 3 ion. So this is called as a used as a fixing agent. Here medicine EDTA treatment is a very very useful for the medicine, because whenever the person who takes the poison and getting the suicide attempt, so we cannot go and ask the person what type of poison is you might have taken. So what just any, so most probably heavy metals are all lead poisoning, because heavy metals, or if it is in a solid poison is less only. If it is in a liquid form, it is a more poison. So solution type, all the heavy metals are so poison. So that most probably lead will be present in that pesticides, and also EDTA will be given to the treatment of the lead poisoning student patients. Immediately that EDTA will contain calcium, it replace the lead in the poison. Then we will get a EDTA with the lead will comes out, calcium will be go into the body. So immediately that is that almost all the complexes are more soluble in water. So I mean it will be dissolved and by urine it will come out. So cisplatin it is used as a PT NH3 twice Cl2. So this is a NH3 twice diamine dichlorido platinum romulator 2. It is an anti-cancer agent. Even that also it is a cis only is the drug, not a trans. Then metallurgical process by extraction of the gold and silver. Cyanide process is used in order for the extraction of silver and gold. Electroplating. I mean in electroplating articles can be electroplated with the silver and copper. Then catalysis. We are having a Ziegler-Natta catalyst and Willikens catalyst. In Willikens catalyst, that is nothing but rhodium is present, and triphenyl phosphine is this. This is chlorido. So this is triphenyl phosphine is a polydentate. So we are supposed to say tris. So tris, triphenyl phosphine. I mean it is chlorido and rhodium. Next used in a hydrogenation of alkenes, olefins, double bond compounds. Next is Ziegler-Natta catalyst, nothing but tetrachlorido titanium and aluminum triethyl. So these compounds are used in a polymerization of olefins, that is alkenes. And next, purifications of nickel. It's very, very important in the isolation of metals in sixth lesson, I think so. This is purification of nickel and Mons process. Nickel from a form of volatile complex nickel tetracarbonyl. This is tetracarbonyl nickel zero valency at a low temperature, and it decomposes at a high temperature. So at low temperature, it forms a volatile complexes. For example, nickel is an impure state. We are treating with the carbonyl, 4-carbonyl at a low temperature of 50 to 80 degrees Celsius. If we use it forms a volatile complex of nickel tetracarbonyl nickel zero valency. And this nickel, tetracarbonyl nickel volatile complex, it is treated to high temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. It decomposes to give a nickel in a pure state plus 4CO. So this is called Mons process. So even the same equation you can apply in that lesson also. So for pure nickel is converted to, impure to pure by treating with the carbonyl at low temperature forms a volatile complex. At high temperature, the volatile complex decomposed to give a pure state. That's what evident. Nickel form a volatile complexes at low temperature and decomposes at a high temperature. After decomposition, the impure nickel getting in a pure state. Then biological importance, metal causes low hemoglobin in our blood, reduces due to the iron, and metal enter only the one metal enter our body through the B12 complexes, Gopal, and this B complexes are soluble in water. So what easily it will go out. So often we should take this Gopal method, B complex. Then metal present in the chlorophyll responsible for a green color of the leaves. So that is a magnesium. Thank you, students.